Well, fellas, the transformation has begun, and I am definitely pretty excited about this. This is the start of the full completion of my S4 build. So basically, if you don't know, I'll give you a brief rundown of the S4. The S4 is this car, but in Japan. It's a trim level, right? So Recaro seats, unlike the STI on the headrest, I do not have that, but pretty much got everything else except for the CVT, which we all know this is the manual transmission. So yep, shout out to JD Muscle for sponsoring these parts for me. Currently I'm a tier 2 sponsor, so for me that means I get a pretty friendly discount on these parts as far as ordering them and putting them on. These are parts I was going to buy with my own money anyway, but it also helps that JD Muscle can jump in and throw some really cool discounts my way, and then in exchange just shout them out and give them put their embroidery on my car, which technically I already was doing that anyway, because I like the license plate and the way it looked. So I already have that, and I had that on my 86, as you guys know. But they also added a sticker, which I threw on my car as well. It's a 1-year sponsorship, and I believe within half of that time, this car will be fully customized and completed probably by the start of winter, I would say. Hopefully, I guess in the perfect world, this will be done before Subi Fest. So that's what I'm trying to do, and then I kind of want to probably put it in the car show for Subi Fest, but I don't even know that yet because I actually got to get the information to see what I need to do in order to do that. So, because I think the same people probably enter every year, because I see similar cars. This will be my 4th year going. So with me seeing similar cars that go there, I'm assuming it's the same people. So anyway, I'll look into that information. So you might see this car at Subi Fest. You might not. I don't know yet. But I'll go over some of the parts that I've gotten from JD Muscle, and I will find my affiliate link and put it in the link in the description of this video. So if you guys are interested in any of these parts, please use my affiliate link. That will definitely help me out and help me build this car way faster. So without further ado, you're already seeing one of my first mods, which is the JDM front grille, the honeycomb grille, which I think is probably the best grille for this car. It definitely makes it more aggressive. Let me zoom in here. I'm using my digital camera today. So, I mean, this thing is like $600. I got to be able to use it sometimes. But I'll get closer so you can kind of see the mesh, which it did come with an STI badge, but I'm not entirely sure how that goes on flush. So I don't know just yet if I'm going to throw that on there. I might, just to kind of piss some people off, because I like to troll sometimes. But we will see. If I can find a way to put it on, it'll be on there for sure, because I got to take off the front bumper again anyway to do some other modifications that I plan on doing, which I'll also talk about in this video. If you guys want to see more of this build, for those of you who are new, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into this video. So this is my Sapphire Blue Pearl. I think it's called Blue Pearl. I don't know. But it looks purple at night, which is kind of cool. 2024 WRX TR. And like I said, the JDM spec version of this is the S4, which is one of the reasons you will see that badge on the back of this car, is because that is the aesthetics that I'm going for as far as building this car. So as you can see, the difference between the WRX TR and other trim levels is the Brembo brakes. The Brimmies is what I like to call them. Shining red down there and also helping bring out that front, I said front lip because it's not here yet. The rear wing, I went with red just because I wanted to try something a little bit different, just to see if it will kind of grow on me. And if not, I'll definitely change it. So it's not a big deal. Those wings aren't really that expensive. And I do plan on getting a paint matched one, just to kind of switch the look up, because this car is a keeper. So I definitely want to kind of be able to customize everything and, you know, fit it to my liking and everything like that. So, what else we got here? Oh, I see you. I don't know if you guys noticed a big difference here, but let me try and zoom in. See those fender flares? Paint matched. Again, shout out to JD Muscle, because again, for me, if I'm being honest, I'm not really, I don't really care for paint match that much as most people do, but it's definitely a welcome addition. Like I said, the black cladding really didn't bother me that much. So to be honest, I just wanted to see what it looks like, and to me, it looks awesome. I'm not gonna lie, it looks pretty good. But like I said, if I'm being real, I didn't care either way, and I'm still gonna keep the plastic, the factory OEM fenders that come with it, because here in the Western Pennsylvania area, we do get weather, so I'm definitely gonna lean more towards keeping those and maybe swap them out so that these paint match ones don't necessarily get damaged, and then I can swap them out back when the weather gets better, sort of like now. So I think that's what I'm gonna do, but don't hold me to it. I don't know. I usually change my mind on things, but I believe that being that they don't take that long to put on, I'm definitely gonna switch them out probably if the weather gets bad enough. But we'll see. That remains to be seen. So again, I'll give you guys a close up on the fenders. I hope the light's good because my glasses are kind of shading up because of the sun. So I don't know. I'll have to look at this while I edit, but I do like them. The coat that they painted it with is pretty damn good. To the naked eye, it looks like it came like this from the factory. So I really, really do like the fender flares here. And like I said before, I don't really care if I had the black ones, but like I said, welcome edition, and thanks to the sponsorship of JD Muscle, I was able to get these at a really good discount. Working our way to the rear, I am going to get the paint matched rear bumper covers. I think Airflow Dynamics has one, but I want to say JD Muscle has a rear bumper. So I'm going to definitely look into that just to see if they have what I thought I saw on the website. But if they don't, I'll probably get the bumper covers, the paint match bumper covers, just to kind of complete the look. I do have an F1 light, but I think I have the wrong connections. So you'll see that probably by my next video. You'll see an F1 light there once I kind of get the right connections that need to be got for that particular modification. And yeah, you'll see that F1 light there. So yeah, like I said, I think I'm gonna look at JD Muscle and see if I can get the bumper, get the rear bumper. I guess they got their own version. So I'm gonna try to look and get that. And for those of you who are curious about the the tires, I got PS4 S's, 255 40 18s. Am I right on that? 255. Where's the size? Why are they always at the bottom when I look? Yeah, 255 40 18s. And the wheels are 18 by 9.5. So that's what I'm rocking on so far. And this is basically my street / track spec, because this Friday, I will be taking this car to the track for the first time. Those of you, again, who follow the channel, I've had a 23 VB WRX that I've already taken to the track. but having the Brimmies on the 24 and having the Recaro seats will definitely be an experience. So I definitely can't wait for that. And I will be recording it. So stay tuned for that. And I guess I'll give you guys a walk around in the interior. I mean, it's not nothing that you haven't seen before. So I'll just show you again. Recaro seats. I switched out to the carpet mats because I figured I would never use them if I didn't do that. So I forced myself to use them, being that we got dry months, and I put my all weathers in the garage. So Recaro seats, manual transmission. This is a big hint on the whole setup I'm going for the exhaust. And if you didn't get the hint, the answer is HKS. I'm waiting on that to come in the mail, so I will have that full exhaust. Nothing crazy in the back seat. It is Sunday, so TLC Sunday for me. You know, cleaning up everything or whatever. Just trying to get some stuff done before I head back to work this week. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. As far as the interior, I don't know. Oh, I'm lying. So on the interior, I'm addressing what we all want to address is that thing right there, that freaking shift knob or that shifter. So I do have a dark matter shifter that I will be installing into this car hopefully this week. I figured out a way to jack up the car high enough, I think, to where I can get up under where the transmission is to start that modification. Because I did get it. I did call around to see who all could do it, but $1,000 to put in a shifter that I've already paid $1,000 for, I'm really not trying to do that. So to be honest, I'm just gonna try this thing myself, and if it takes me all day, it takes me all day. But I think at the end of the day, $1,000 in my pocket is better than spending $1,000 to get it installed professionally. And from the video I saw, it looks rather easy. So yeah, I think that's about it. Oh no, I guess I didn't go over the exterior part. So the red wing, it's definitely not going to be alone. I am going to go with side skirt extensions that are going to be red, as well as the front lip on the front of the car, which is going to be red as well. Those are in the mail and will probably also be installed on my next video. So again, if you are a fan of the VB WRX and you want to follow this build, please let me know by subscribing, and please comment in the section. Please comment in the comment section and let me know how your build is going. If you do own a VB WRX, what do you plan on doing with it? And what are the plans in the future? Is it just a daily? Is it a track car? Is it going to be your everything car? For me, this is my everything car for now. It's daily, 800 miles a week. It's pushing it just fine. Oil changes every other month or every month. So it does everything. It's going to do track duty. It's going to do daily driving. It's going to do work. It's going to do carrying things, everything. And I believe that this car is built for it. So like I said, in the comment section below, please let me know your ideas on your WRX, and stay tuned for future mod updates in regards to this car. I do plan on getting some other things that I didn't mention on the exterior of this car, but I haven't really pulled the trigger on them yet. So I don't want to say that I'm going to get them and then I don't. So, but what you will definitely see in the next video is the rest of the aero to complement the rear wing. So with that being said, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.